Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in this video. So this is like to say welcome to FLOWCHA Fashion X Beauty. My name is Flora Chacha. I am the owner of an online store called FLOWCHA Fashion X Beauty, and which is at it's at flowchastores.com. So by the time you're probably reading this, you're either at my store or you're at my YouTube channel, which I'm also introducing. So, welcome. So, I mean, we basically want you to have fun while shopping. And the whole idea is to motivate you. And if that is, taking care of yourself motivates you to live life at your fullest. So the idea is actually for those who love active wear and I mean even those who don't, I mean, to just see that you can actually put a twist in an out active wear to be more than just a workout outfit. This is the whole idea of this store. So we want to provide you with active wear that you can actually wear even like when you're not working out, like you want to dress it up. So of course, there's beauty products there, and most of them that you can notice, they call them, I think, they're known as techno beauty devices. Like it's things that you don't like necessarily find them everywhere. It's like it's a type of equipment that are for beauty, but they're really beneficial for you. So, besides that, on my channel, I'm going to talk a lot about beauty and fashion. And please subscribe to my channel, which is Flora Chacha here, as you have seen it. And also, you can follow me at Instagram, at FLOWCHA Fashion Mix Beauty, and also Facebook at FLOWCHA Fashion Mix Beauty. So, you can see I'm wearing this hair. This hair is not on my store. In my store, actually, this is from Amazon in a store called Entranced. So the idea is, it's just incorporated. I'm talking specifically about this channel, but obviously, I will be posting a blog on my online store as well. So it's to incorporate hairstyles which is different color with hair, with the makeup, and also with the outfits. So for gentlemen, we have not forgotten about you. We have started with aftershave products, but we will like increase your line of products. So of course, there's going to be active wear for men as well at some point, and full skincare line for men. So for now, that's it. And anyways, I'll have so much coming for you guys. Bye.